Hello guys, welcome to the Altruist Styles. I'm Janvi and today we are going to learn vocabulary as known as lexical resources related to crime and law. It is the episode 31 and you can check all the previous episodes on our channel. In the last video we have covered three words. First word was assault. It is a countable noun and the meaning is an assault by an army is a strong attack made on an area held by the enemy. The second word was conscript. It is also a countable noun and a conscript is a person who has been made to join the armed force of a country. The third word was freak. It is an adjective and a freak event or action is one that is a very unusual or extreme example of its type. Now, before moving to our next words, I want to announce that we are providing writing correction service. That means if you are stuck at band 6.5 or less in writing section, you can join our Facebook group and it is really helpful. So don't forget to join. The link is in the description box. Now let's move to our first word, pivotal. It is adjective and a pivotal role, point or figure in something is one that is very important and affects the success of that thing. The synonyms could be crucial, central, determining, vital. The example could be the Court of Appeal has a pivotal role in the English legal system. Now let's jump to the collocations. Pivotal position, pivotal role. The other things related to grammar, the adverb is pivotally. The second word is archaic. It is adjective. Archaic means extremely old or extremely old-fashioned. The synonyms could be old, ancient, antique, primitive. The example could be an archaic clothes that are very seldom used. The collocations could be archaic clothes, archaic form, archaic words, archaic sentences. Let's jump to the other things. The adverb could be archaically. The third word is disciplinary. It is also an adjective and disciplinary bodies or actions are concerned with making sure that people obey rules or regulations and that they are punished if they do not. Let's jump to the synonyms. Punitive. The example could be he will now face a disciplinary hearing for having an affair. The collocations could be disciplinary action, disciplinary procedure, disciplinary hearing, disciplinary committee. And other things are discipline is also an uncountable noun. Discipline is the practice of making people obey rules or standards of behavior and punishing them when they do not. Discipline is the quality of being able to behave and work in a controlled way which involves obeying particular rules or standards. In the next video, we will cover the word parliamentary, forbidden, intrusive and many more. Until then, like, share and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to join the group. The link is the description box.